Hello, have a nice day everyone. Miss Angelica S. Barriega, a 3A1 student of BFE, is in front of you to tackle about the past learner and the present learner and how they are embodied with technology. As a future educator and as a learner, I will do my task and I will do my part going through as a medium of instruction. And how can I prepare myself for that thing? I can use it for a better purpose. From the previous discussion about Generation Gov, we varies from different aspects of life. From simple basis of education, going through technological aspects. As we made our own limitations that technology is everywhere, the concept is beyond that prospect as of now by different technology in our life. It is not difficult if we know technology to manipulate and use it wisely. We can determine that a learner knows about technology if he knows the do's and don'ts of technology. He knows what is his responsibility in using that tool as a medium of instruction. And that's all. Thank you. Ano? Dira ng oras? Ay!